Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from FASTag to bank account. This is really easy to do. The first step we need to do is open our bank account. Once we have opened our bank account, we need to find this option called FASTag Recharge like this. Okay. Once you have this option uh, right here, you need to click this option and then you need to add a new vehicle and a new bank account in this with this button right here. So once you have done this, you need to uh, select your card and your bank. Once you have done with your bank, you're going to see something like this. So you need to click like this, and then you're going to set up your amount to send, and then you're going to click proceed to pay. So it's really easy to do. Eh, Once you have done this, you need to verify that this amount was sent to your bank account. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.